This is still the best volume booster that you can install on your Android phone from the Play Store. It's free, it's simple, and with barely any ads interrupting your usage. It's known as the Volume Booster by Good Ev. That's what it's called. This is the exact app that you'll be installing. And it has a very simple interface. Basically, once you're in the app, you'll see this right here where you can control the main volume of your phone, then also the booster here. So I'm going to quickly test it out for you, and you can be the judge in that to decide if it's worth it or not. So with a song playing in the background, and keep in mind this will work for songs that are saved on your device, basically you have your main volume control, which is the same as the volume keys on your Android phone. All right, so this is going to bring up the volume here. I'm going to bring it up very high, so okay, and then the booster here. Okay, so there is a slight difference in the volume boosting, and of course you can hear the cracking sounds. So as always, you don't want to play this too loud for a long period of time to avoid destroying your speakers, but it does work. It does give you that little extra boost that you've been looking for. It's free and fairly easy to use. Like and sub if you have any others that you would recommend so I can try it out. Let me know in the comments section.